welcome to Miss Corina's Reading Summertime Books. Today's story is called Little Baker's 1, 2, 3, 4 Cake, Account, and Bake Book. It is written by Wright and illustrated by Allison Oliver. Let's count together as we bake, and soon we'll have a tasty cake. One cup of butter to pour right in. 1 and 2 cups of sugar, and now we begin. 1, 2, 3 cups of flour to sift and fluff. 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs to beat are just enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shakes of sprinkles, then stir all we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strong hands to carry the pan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dishes washed then dried. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 scoops of frosting we color with dye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 frosted flowers and 1 pretty heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slices of cake, a true work of art.